what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, on today's episode, we're going to talk about exactly what, when, and how a furnisher is required to report consumer information to a credit reporting agency. And today we're going to talk about the steps a furnisher must follow when being notified of a consumer dispute. This actually applies to you when you dispute directly with the credit bureaus or the creditor themselves. Now, if you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when the new video is released. And hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So with that being said, let's get on with the topic. When it comes to disputes, there's actually two ways it can be done. You can send it directly to the credit bureaus or to the creditor themselves. Now, if you decide to dispute directly with the credit bureaus, this is actually called an indirect dispute, and the bureaus will notify the furnisher of the dispute. Now, once notified, the furnisher must investigate the dispute and review all relevant information provided by the credit reporting agencies. They must also report your findings to the credit reporting agencies, and they must provide corrected information to every credit reporting agency that received the information of your investigation, and it has to show that the information is incomplete or inaccurate. They must also modify the information, delete it, or permanently block its reporting if the information really turns out to be inaccurate or incomplete or cannot be verified. The furnisher has 30 days after the credit reporting agency received this dispute to resolve it. And if you provide additional relevant information during the 30-day period, the credit reporting agency has an additional 15 days to resolve the dispute. That is why you should never send multiple disputes for the same account within the 30-day period. The credit reporting agencies must also give the furnisher all the relevant information it receives within 5 business days and must give the furnisher additional relevant information provided by you. Now, if the furnisher does not investigate or respond to the notification of the dispute within the specified time, the credit reporting agency must delete the disputing information from its files. Now, if you would like to learn more about the credit restoration program that we have here and want to take advantage of a detailed audit of your credit reports, please make sure to give us a call at 888-424-0058, option number 1. And you can also check us out online by clicking on the link in the description below to set up an appointment with one of our credit analysts. The phone call should only take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes of your time, but we're providing with valuable insight on how you could take your credit to the next level. Alright guys, so if you're disputing directly with the furnisher, what should you do? Well, the furnisher must investigate your dispute if it relates to a liability for a credit account or other debts within the furnisher. They must also investigate your dispute if it relates to the terms of the credit account or other debts with the furnisher, as well as a performance or other conduct concerning an account or other relationship with the furnisher. And finally, the furnisher must investigate any other information in a consumer report about an account or relationship with the furnisher that affects your credit worthiness, credit standing, credit capacity, character, general reputation, personal characteristics, or lifestyle. Now, as a reminder, you can also check us out on social media, and you can find Keeping It Real with Credit on Instagram, Facebook, as well as our credit restoration company, ScoreShield Financial Group. I hope you guys liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and see you on the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.